What's going on YouTube? Hacker007 here. In this video, I'll be sharing with you guys a few YouTube tips and tricks which will make using YouTube much easier. So let's launch YouTube, and the first tip which I'll be showing you guys is one which you can do with basically any video. However, I'll be playing one of my video to avoid any copyright. So let's find a video to play. So let's say we're playing this video, right? So let's click on pause. Now as you can see, we have a video playing. Now by now you should be familiar with the loop option that is available for YouTube. So if you click on the three dots, as you can see here, we have this loop video option. So if we should turn that on, as you can see, loop video is on. When you get to the end of the video, it will loop from the beginning. So that's that. So let's turn that off again. Now if you should click on the three dots and let's click on quality. Now as you can see here, now this is quite an annoying update in YouTube if you ask me. However, how to get around this is simply by tapping on the option at the bottom that says settings video preferences. So this will allow you to set a default quality whenever you're using mobile network. Now I tend to use mobile network, so I could always set mine to be higher picture quality, so this will tend to play from 720p upwards. I've never seen it drop below 720p when it's set to this option. So you could allow this on Wi-Fi. Now on Wi-Fi it is easier to set it at a higher picture quality, so mine are on auto. However, you can change yours to higher picture quality, and that will basically improve the video quality whenever you're playing a video by default. So the next tip which I have for you guys, now I know a lot of you might not know about this. Whenever you're watching a video on YouTube, if you should basically swipe up the screen, as you can see the video is being expanded. So if you should swipe up on the video, it will automatically put the video in full screen. Now let me know in the comments if you knew this, if you know about this trick. I know not a lot of people might not know about it. So let's swipe down. Now that is the next cool feature. Whenever you're in full screen, you could simply swipe down and it will go back to the normal size. So now another tip which I have for you, or another trick rather, is whenever you have a video minimized to the bottom of the screen like this, you could simply swipe down on the video and it will close out of that video. So this is pretty cool. It would automatically close out of this video. Now let's say you're on YouTube, you're on the home screen, and as you can see here, this video automatically started to play while I'm on mobile data. Now you could simply change this by going into settings, and so you should click on general. As you can see here, playback in feeds. So now this option allows the videos to be played whenever you're simply scrolling through your home feed. Sometimes I find this cool because I want to see a little preview of the video or what's going on, and the videos tend to have captions turned on for the most part, so you'll be able to basically watch the video without actually clicking on it. And I do believe this counts as a view, because if you should tap into the video, it will automatically play from the point or resume from the point which you left it. So you could turn this off, put it to Wi-Fi only, or turn it on as always. Mine is set to always on, so it will automatically be on. So another feature in which you could use from the settings here in general, you know, when you're watching a video and you want to skip through the video by 10 seconds or more. Now as you can see, we have the double tap to seek feature. Now this you could set it to 15, 5 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds, and 60 seconds. Now 10-second duration is quite useful, and it is one which I basically use. So if you want to change the duration which the double tap to seek feature is set to, this is how you do it. You'd navigate to settings, general, and double tap to seek, and you simply change the duration in which you'd want it to basically play. Now another feature which you could turn off and on in the YouTube app is autoplay. Now autoplay basically plays the next video, or plays a video after you've watched a current video. So let's say you're watching YouTube in the night, you have your phone in your hand, autoplay is on. Now what this will do is it will basically play videos until you basically wake up back. So it will continuously autoplay videos, and this can drain your battery life or so on. So if you should disable autoplay, it will only play the one video which you're playing, and then it will simply stop. Your phone screen will, the display will turn off, and you'll be good to go. So you could simply turn this off by watching a video. So if you are on one of your videos, you could simply pause the video. Well, you don't have to pause. You could turn autoplay on or autoplay off from this simple toggle which is inbuilt in the YouTube app. So these are a few features which you could use with the YouTube application to basically boost your usability whenever you're using the YouTube app. So let me know in the comments which one of these tips and tricks you knew about before, and comment if you have any other features or tips or tricks in YouTube app which you'd want me to take a look on. Now these are just a few tips which I find useful, and there are a lot more. I'll be making more videos on in the future covering other tips and tricks in the YouTube application. So thank you guys for watching. If you found this video useful, please leave a like and a comment down below. It's really appreciated. Hakashi Pro 7 out.